Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Longfield on Where is Longfield? Oh my gosh, it's been months, almost past 4 months now, and no content. A lot has been going on. I am back in my country and I was just like trying to find myself. But you know what, you guys, I am back now. And somebody told me, they said, you know what, it's better late than never. So I'm going to start with the old content and go all the way towards the newest content that I have for you guys. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe.
Friend, I love how we are all looking for food at this hour, eh?
Guys, because I'm running late, I have to make sure that I buy everything here so that I can go back home and get dressed and then go to Dodgers and then go to the Cirques. That's a lot. That's really a lot. Yo guys, at this point I am convinced that asoze ngaba nemali, especially good December season. Yangenyaphuma nje. So it's not fun. That's what I'm trying to say. And I am very late. Maybe probably like 30 minutes late because I was supposed to go to Daja's house at least maybe 20 minutes ago. The drive is going to be almost 20 to 25 minutes. So in the traffic right now at this hour, madness. If you know Atlanta, you know the drill. So let me vibe. See you guys at Daja's house and see you guys at Cirque du Soleil later on. The first birthday or Christmas gift. What is it, unwrapping or wrapping? Oh no, it's definitely unwrapping. Oh no, sorry, I don't know. Sorry, English is not my... Let's see if we can get to Daja's house. Say, oh no, GPS, sorry. Told you guys, the traffic is insane. Like seriously crazy. At this point, I feel like I'm gonna be at Daja's house for 2 minutes, because it's seriously bad. And obviously now I can no longer go back home. Even if I wanted to go back home so bad, I cannot. So it simply means that Cirque du Soleil, I'll be wearing the very same clothes and I'm not gonna get any time to change. And honestly, I don't even know where I'm going because I'm against the GPS right now. I don't know who I'm trying to dribble actually. I feel like I'm dribbling myself. But it's okay. Late is late. That's what happens when you are late. Shortcuts do not work, but what more can we say? So 10 plus 15, so still 25 minutes. What am I doing? So if actually I followed the GPS, I was gonna be 2 minutes early. I'm following my mind, the directions that I know to her house, and I'm gonna be 2 minutes late. But it's alright. I'm almost there, guys. Only I believe maybe I have like 3 minutes to get to her house. So it wasn't bad at all. I'm so excited. Even though I know I'm gonna see her for like an hour an hour, maybe probably an hour and 15 minutes. But still, hey guys, I haven't seen Daiji in a while. I think maybe a month or so. So would be good to see her. Guys, turns out that my decision to bank the highway was good. I'm actually not even a minute, because it was going to be 27, right? So now it's like, is it, oh my gosh, which one is the right one? Oh, I think this one. But then, oh my gosh, back road ahead. What am I supposed to? I decided that I want to bank the highway and take the streets. Hey, my daughter, a minute counts. At this point, a minute counts a lot. Hey guys, at 6:34.
It's a monkey.
It's not a monkey.
No.
Know what?
Waar gaan ons?
Guys, welcome back to the last part of this tonight's event.
Tonight's little event.
Yeah, and we are going to Cirque du Soleil. I don't know how to pronounce it, but
Where do I even start?
starts what? Finding the place.
Yeah, bro.
It's Atlantic Station, Cirque du Soleil. So yeah, the place is in Atlantic Station, and we are not very early, but we are early, because I'm sure it's like 15 minutes to go there, right?
Yeah. But
So-
that was the point, to be early.
To be early so
Yeah.
that we can just stroll around and
We were supposed to leave at what time? Can you tell the people?
yeah, they know already that I was late. Oh my gosh, did I tell you about that thing? The same thing that you just did right now. I did that. I did that, and somebody saw me, and they were like, "Oh, that was very close."
I hate when people like drive before you, like in your mind.
But you always do that. Do you know that?
Me, I know, because it's so.
So why
scary.
do you hate something that you do?
No,
I'm okay with it, as long as I'm also aware that I did that. I'm like, oh yeah, okay, I'm okay. One thing that I would like maybe beat myself up for is when I actually do the shitty shit.
I'll beat myself up for nothing.
Nothing. Okay, guys, because we have to turn this thing off. See you in Atlantic Station, I guess. Bye. So Aaron, wait. Is it called wrapping or unwrapping when you open your gift? So guys, we are unwrapping the first Christmas gift. Yeah, Christmas gift. So which is Cirque du Soleil, and we decided that we wanna watch the Echo show.
This looks fun.
I hope it's fun. I'm gonna take videos for you guys. Hope they be hanging themselves up in the sky and flying all over and all the silly stuff. So let's wait and see. You know, actually, I've always seen this. I remember last year when I came to a doctor's appointment, I saw this. That's when I first,
Doctor's appointment?
yeah, that's when I first knew that there's a circus. But then I was like far from it, and I did not care. But this time around, look at me attending this thing. It's gonna be so much fun.
It is.
But yeah,
I'm so hungry.
you just had pizza.
This guy.
She had pizza.
One slice. Yeah. Just go drink some on the drive.
Sorry.
That's why you didn't want to drive. You're an asshole. We at door number 5 now.
Door number 5, which is behind us. I would love a cup of coffee, hot chocolate, coffee, snacks, and drinks, and more.
Popcorn.
And popcorn. Do you want popcorn?
No. I'm hungry.
I don't think they have food.
Don't ever. I see pizza.
They have pizza, sorry. Not to forget that I'm eating chomp buffet.
That's not it. Why not like this? Yeah.
My gosh.
Yo, there's lavender.
Șampuan polvo. Că șampuan polvo da cupa mini da capa.
I don't like that. I really don't like it.
Вперед и
I don't know how to feel about it. I think no. Just oh my gosh. Wow. Come on, dude. So guys, we have 25 minutes break but we spent most of it on the line to the bathroom. So but then it's really nice and refreshing outside. And the show, what do you think about the show?
It was really good. I love it. So it's the first half was very good. The lights, amazing production. The music was live. What do you know about live music? They had opera singers. They had they had the people floating in the sky. Is that not scary?
That's not scary, but
Ross.
that was really good.
And then this lady was hanging from her hair.
That part. Hey, scary.
You know, she said, she was like, that's so dangerous. Does
Well,
it
I
not
hope
give you cancer?
I hope she does not get sick from that.
She
Eh?
won't. What else happened? It's good so far. I like it. I love that everything is just live and it's raw and
Yeah.
it's pure. It's not like they have a soundtrack plugged into someone's phone Bluetooth.
Yeah. Drama. Yo. All right, let's go take pictures or videos.
Okay.
Do you want to walk on the red carpet?
You can. Go. Yes, go. Hey. You will never get into a runway walking like that. That was scary.